Do you know why some people speak confidently while others hesitate, even if they know the language? The difference is not just in knowledge, it's in mindset. Today, we will explore how your mindset shapes your communication and how changing it can make your English better. When I first started learning English, I knew grammar, I knew vocabulary and pronunciation. But when I had to speak in front of somebody, I freeze. I thought मैं fluent नहीं हो पाऊंगी. लोग मेरा accent judge करेंगे. No matters how much I study, my mindset was holding me back. It wasn't until I changed the way my thought process worked. And then my confidence started to grow. Number one, mindset. Fear of mistakes. Many learners avoid speaking because they are afraid of making mistake. गलत बोला तो लोग laugh करेंगे. Grammar perfect नहीं है. So this fear becomes their mental blockage. So, mindset shift. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. Each mistake is a step closer to your growth. Number two, mindset break. Comparison. Comparing yourself to others. वो फ्लुएंट है, मैं कब पहुंचूंगी? उसका एक्सेंट परफेक्ट है, मेरा नहीं. Comparison kills your focus on your own growth and progress. So, what should be a mindset shift? Compare only with yourself yesterday. Small wins matter that more than others' perfection. Now, mindset blockage number three. Overthinking is another major mindset blockage. Thinking about grammar, accent, thinking about what others will think. This creates stress and hesitation. Mindset shift, focus on communication. Your focus should be clarity, not flawless English. Flawless English will come naturally with practice. So stop these things stop you from speaking. So your mindset creates your reality. This is the real truth. So, fluency grows when you focus on communication, and stress disappears when you stop comparing. Change your mindset, and your communication skills will transform naturally. So, your daily affirmation should be I can speak English confidently. Focus on small wins, one clear sentence once. General progress, write it down, track your confidence and your progress. Visualize your conversation and practice speaking mentally. Even 5 to 10 minutes daily builds your mindset and progress. So mindset plus consistency plus your actions is equal to perfect English. Believe in your ability, focus on your progress. Your English will fall your own way. Stop letting fear, comparison, and overthinking control your thoughts. Change your mindset, speak daily, embrace success, and watch your communication. Fluency starts in your mind first and then it shows in your speech. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.